Okay, guys. Right now, we're gonna talk about excited duty. This is the selection guide. Okay, so this one, if you can see this one, housing dimension in millimeter. This is the housing dimension refer to the diameter of the sensing surface. Okay, so here, for example, here you can see the diameter here. Okay, for example, if you can take a look here, you can see this is the dimension. If we have this is M14, this is, you can see here, this is the M14, this is the diameter, and here this is the dimension of, okay, well, of these 40 times 40. Okay, and all of these, this is for switch style. This switch style, this means the sensor, the proximity sensor, looks like the limit switch. Okay, and this is 40 times 40. This is uh, the dimension of this switch. Okay, and this one is the sensing distance. You can see here SN in millimeter or mm. This is the sensing distance, the distance in millimeter at which the sensor detects an object. Okay, this is the or operation distance. Sometimes we call it operation distance. So each one, what is the operation distance? If you can see this one, shielded or unshielded, this is indicate whether the sensing surface face is covered. Okay, whether the sensing or the sensor face is covered. Is covered, that means shielded. Uncovered, that means not shielded or unshielded. This is the material used for housing to protect the sensor. And if you can see here, SST, that means stainless steel. This material used for housing of the sensor to protect this sensor. This is the operation voltage. This means the voltage range for the sensor operation. Some sensor can work from 10 to 65 voltage DC. This sensor can work with from 20 to 65. And the last one is wires. So how many wires or number of wire for sensor connection. Okay, and I think we already talked about the wire. Okay, so all of these is selection guide. For example, this sensor is XRD, so this is selection guide that's used for all the sensor for XR duties type. Okay, if you can see to the next page is also the similar selection guide, but here we have 4.5. The housing dimension is 4.5 millimeter. This is this 4.5 exactly. This one is miniature sensor or the mini sensor. That it is made of SST, the stainless steel. Okay, so miniature sensor 4.5, the dimension. This is made from SST or stainless steel, and this should be shielded. This type of sensor, and you can see the sensing range is 0.6. If you can take a look here, 0.6. Okay, this is and this one is the diameter, and this is the wire connection. It's require a 3-volt wire, and operation operation voltage from this is the voltage compatibility is needed to interface with the equipment. Okay, so sorry for interface with the operation with the power supply from 10 to 30. And we know that stainless steel can give to this sensor high durability. Okay, because here it is require some type here. If you can see, this is different type of sensor in page I think 47. You can see this one is the uh, proximity sensor limit switch style. This means that this is the dimension, and this is looks like it's the sensor, but looks like limit switch or the same style of limit switch. This is also here, as we talk here about 40 times 40. These refer to compact version of 40 times 40 proximity sensor, and this is the housing size. Okay, and thank you for your watching.